Hola amigos, this is Professor Rabufi, but you can call me Profe. In this 4-part video series, you'll be learning how to use the Preterite and the Imperfect like a pro. Today, using the Imperfect like a pro.
The imperfect refers to habitual events in the past. We focus on what would regularly happen back in the day or what used to happen, and the emphasis when we use the imperfect is on routines, not on a single event. For example, when we were in high school, we used to go out every weekend. As we can see here, we could be referring to the same period of time that we mentioned before, when I was in high school, but I'm not outside of this saying something that happened. Actually, I'm describing the situation developing back in the day. So I'm kind of like looking at this from the inside and describing and recreating or describing what was going on back in the day. We would go out every weekend, we would have fun, we used to do this and we used to do that. So I'm describing the red line. The red line for us means action in progress, action developing at a certain time. In this case, it's in the past. Imperfect refers to unfinished or ongoing actions or states at the time we are referring to. We are describing something that was going on at a certain time. For example, while I was having a shower, the telephone rang. Again, we see the red line, something that was developing at that moment, something that was happening at that moment, and then something else happened, but the shower was not finished at that time. When I got the phone call, I was still in the middle of having a shower. So, at that moment, the action was incomplete. Another example, I saw her yesterday and she was a bit worried because, well, when I saw her, she was still a bit worried, so this means that at that moment, the action was still in progress, was going on. So, as we can see here, the imperfect has two main uses. One for habitual events, this refers to regular situations, not just a single event, and also it can refer to one single event that was taking place at the time we are talking about.
In our next video, we'll be contrasting the Preterite and the Imperfect side by side. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes make me very happy. Please like it! Please!